Omuri rukiiko rw'okutongoza ekivuru eki aha kitebe ekikuru kya Vision Group omuri Kampala, Babra Kaija mukuru w'ebyamakuru omu Vision Group yaahiga abantu boona okwija omukivuulu ky'abarongo omuringo gw'okujaguza n'abarongo mu Uganda.
Olunaku lwa 25 luliba lwa Sunday August tujja kuba tujaguza abalongo. Kwegamba Uganda yensi ekyasinze okwagala abalongo, tusanyukira abalongo, tubatuuma amannya, tusanyukira bannaalongo ne bassaalongo bakiza. Kwegamba twagala nnyo abalongo ng'eggwanga. Ate ekyo kiri mu Uganda yonna, si mu Buganda wokka. Kakati olunaku olwo olwa 25 tujja kuba tujaguza abalongo. Guno gwe murundi ogw'omukaaga nga tutegeka okujaguza okwo. Ekibeerayo ku lunaku olwo ojja n'omulongo wo, ne mwambala ebifaanagana, ne mwambala bulungi, ne munyuma. Kati ojja kusangayo abalongo abalala bangi ng'enkumi 5 nga nabo bwe batyo bwe bambadde. Kwegamba gubeera mukolo gwa ssanyu ng'otunuulira abantu abo abafaanagana. Kwegamba obatunulira n'ogamba ye Katonda wange nga watonda abantu.
Ekiivulu ky'abarongo eky'omurundi gwa 6 kyagirwe Parliamenti ya Uganda, banka ya Posta hamwe na kampuni eya Pepsi.
We see the multiple blessing of family and multiplication, and it's that we celebrate, that unique Ugandan thing of celebrating family. Uganda is a very family oriented culture. We value family, we want to multiply, we value children, we value grandchildren, we value our parents. And when you come out to the Twins Festival, the twins are what bring us together, but actually families come together. You see a lot of parents coming in with their children. You also see adult twins coming in with their friends. You see different people coming in to celebrate. It's a nice day out.
Okurijjara hari Penelope Nankunda, coordinator w'ekivuru eki, ngo nikiza kuba eky'omutaano omwaka ogwo wageraageranisa n'ebivuuru by'abarongo ebitwire nibibaho kandi yaahiga abantu boona okwija omu bwingi.
To ask for some tips from Nalongos and Salongos on how to get twins if you want them, so we invite the audiences to come and attend this year's festival. This year we're very grateful to the sponsors who have chosen to partner with us.
Koris Obore orukure by'empurizingana omu Parliamenti y'ihanga yasiima ekitongole kya Vision Group ahabwa enteekateeka egi yagumizamu yaahiga abanya-Uganda kuruga omushonda n'eshonda kwija bakaganira n'abarongo hamwe n'abazaire baabo.
You know, bringing up one child today is a hassle. Bringing it two is a double hassle. So this event should actually come. Please come and attend it because it is going to be inspirational. That don't dump those twins. Those twins are unique. Come and see what other parents who accepted them are reaping from them. Look at the hanks. Look at the hanks. Going to be husbands to some beautiful ladies out there. So don't throw away a child. Don't look at twins as a big burden. Twins actually come with a big blessing. So by attending this event, you're coming to see inspiration.
Ijja kukwesiga orukurra ebyamaguzi hamwe n'empurizingana omu kugamba kwe yagira ngu nka Post Bank aha murundi ogwo nibaza kujaguza hamwe n'abarongo obwo barikushomesa abarongo okuba kubaasa kwetungura omu bya business.
Tuli basanyufu nnyo okubeera nga te Vision Group nate tuwadde omukisa omulala okwegatta ku Twins Festival nga ky'ekiivulu ky'abarongo ekyasinzeeyo mu buvanjuba bwa Afrika wano. Kale ffe nga Post Bank tulwesunze nnyo olwo olunaku lwakuba nti tugenda kubeera nga tuyigiriza abaana, tuyigiriza abavubuka, tuyigiriza n'abantu ab'enjawulo abagenda okubeerayo engeri y'okuterekamu ssente n'engeri gy'okuyiga okukolamu bizinensi. Tugenda okuyigiriza abantu nti ne bw'oba n'emitwalo 10 osobola okutandikawo bizinensi yo. So tusuubiza nti buli anajja mu kiivulu kino ajje nga yeetegese wakiri okugulawo akawunti, afune n'omukisa oguyingira mu kyuma, ajjemu ssente.
Amer hamwe na mukuru we Arnold enzarwa za Burundi abarongo abine entaranta y'okweshongora bagira ngu tubarikurota izobeera narihika bakoreka entaranta abarongo bagenzi baabo.
Some people should be at the back and others at the front.